All right, boys on CARRTEL hooked up. I need to call it through, Rick.
Where are we? Where are we?
ATL, mate.
Okay. Oh, good, we got it, mate.
Ah, good stuff.
Nice, mate.
You want me? I'll lead her there. Do you want me to put
You got your gloves, mate? Get that fucking tape pull up,
Drive forward.
Yeah, this is good, mate. Put that game pole up, mate.
Yeah, the boys. Fucking me, bro! We're hooked up! Big jump, big jump! Look, here it is, look, boys! What do you want me, mate? We're good.
Okay, mate, wind that fucker in, mate.
Woohoo! CARRTEL hooked up, bro. Camera's on. Yeah, boy, come on.
This cop's ours to win, boys. Ours to win. Sean?
Yep.
Everything good, eh, mate?
Yep, everything's good.
Okay, we've got the dredge in. Pull the dredge up, mate. You're pulling them in now, mate.
He's a little, yeah, I think. Yeah, perfect little fucking tag and release, mate. Let's get those points, boys.
Okay, mate. Next hole's ready.
Okay,
Okay, that was at 9:25.
Bubba, that's now by 5 minutes.
Time me
Sounds
perfectly.
like fucking tonga, mate.
It's like Tom.
Sounds like perfect timing to me.
Won't be on the back of your ring.
That angle's perfect, mate. Here's a marlin, boys. Here's a tag, here's a tag. Second fish. Oh, beauty, mate. What a beautiful,
What a beautiful fish.
Hold on. No, go. Dump him.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah, bro. Cartel, boys. Yeah. Shot, mate.
Well done, team.
Oh, I'm shaking.
Teamwork, mate.
Right, push it here.
Woo!
Let me know if we're well hooked, mate. We'll go for it.
Jumped away out there.
Yes, mate. Thank you.
Brother.
You mate, you drive the bike.
Yep.
And do the photos, mate.
Yep.
Okay.
See the boat.
Did you radio in?
Wind it, fuck, John. I'll just get the photo, mate. Wind it faster.
Wait on that.
Okay.
There he is, jumping. Look, there he is.
We're going to pull him in. He's got him. He's turned his head. Just pull him, mate. Wind him. Turn his head. Wind him. Good one. Not far now, mate. Wind him in.
There he is.
Wind him in, buddy. Nice and easy. Wind him in, mate. Wind him in, mate. Wind him in. Wind him in. Wind him in. Yes, it is. You're going to have to move forward, Sean. Wind him in. Okay, mate. Keep going. Wind him up, mate. Wind him up. Ryan. Hard right, mate. Come in, come in. Wind him, wind him.
There you go, boys. What a day.
Oh, cheers, man. What a day.
Day 2 of the comp. And we got 2 fish today, plus the one last night, so we've got 3 fish with tag cards, mate. So we're off to a bloody good start. Got 1,350 points. And we've got to be back into Port Fitzroy this afternoon, so we're like 40 miles off, so we need to start leaving now to get back in time. So we'll give you an update when we get closer, eh? Yeah, the boys. Hey. Past the needles.
day for a daydream. What a day for a daydreaming boy. And I'm lost in a daydream, dreaming about my bundle of joy. And even if time ain't really on my side, it's one of those days for taking a walk outside. I'm blowing the day to take a walk.
So we're day 3 today. We are currently leading the points at the moment with 3 tags type Marlin. So we're sitting at 1350 points. Last day is tomorrow. So we're looking good, but we could do with another fish to get those points up. Yeah, lots of boats around us hooking up today. Seen a lot of bait, seen a lot of birds now, so we're just trying to scope it out. We're going to stay wide again tonight and just bob around so we can get an early bite in the morning. The weather's been fantastic. It's pretty calm and chilled out here, so all is good, mate. So what we need to do is get on top of the fish, get another one under our belt, and that would be awesome. Nick and Brad off Sounds Fishy have just tagged a broadbill, so that's awesome. Can't wait to hear some stories, no doubt. I think Nick was so hot he jumped in and we had a swim at about 400 metres, so pretty awesome. We hooked up. Rick's on. She took hard, she fought hard. So yeah, I'll tag him. Yep. Yeah. It's Rick and his broken rod from last night when he caught a manta ray. So hopefully we go for the hard luck award and the mysterious catch today. But we snapped the gladiator and lost the lure. So it's a pretty expensive day fishing yesterday, eh mate? Yeah. But last day, line's got to be out the water.
And the sea anchor.
Oh yeah,
And
lost the sea anchor last night. We stayed out about 30 miles. It's horrible. Bouncing around, lost the sea anchor. But we're first equal at the moment with another boat. They've caught 3 yesterday. They had an outstanding day, so we've got a bit of redemption today. We need one more fish to get us back in the hot seat. So line's got to be out of the water. We've got to be back in Fitzroy about 5 o'clock today. So some serious fishing.